and Dragon SpaceX on Dragon to Ground. You are go for the on-orbit Crew Dragon flight status event. As a reminder, this pass has approximately 9 minutes in it.
Hey gang, this is Dragon Freedom up here with a new crew on board orbit, and I'm really excited about returning to space, but even more excited about welcoming 3 new astronauts to space, plus Gigi's here with us in her little Axiom spacesuit. She's our zero-G indicator that we released after we made it to orbit. And I wanted to have an opportunity to let my crew talk to you about some of their experiences and feelings about being in space, because it is so spectacular.
Well, it's pretty amazing. To describe the feeling when the second stage kicks the Dragon off into orbit, you realize instantly you're weightless. And it's just an amazing feeling. And eventually we crossed into daylight, and you got our first view of Earth, and it's right outside the window. I'll point it over Ray's shoulder here. I can't do that.
Here, I'll do it.
Okay, there you go. Well, as I was looking down, I could see the first curvature of the Earth and see that for the first time, and it was such an amazing thing. I realized I was actually here. And we were all busy. We were all pretty busy getting dressed and getting all of our gear out that we forgot to look out the window for a couple of minutes. But it's an amazing feeling. Really enjoying it. We're going to have an awesome experience.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. اللهم لك الحمد الشكر، الحمد لله على هذه الفرصة، الحمد لله على اللحظة التاريخية اللي نعيشها. مو بس أنا أعيشها، إحنا وأنتوا سوية. استمتعنا صراحة بالإطلاق، وأنا متأكد أنكم أنتوا استمتعتوا بالمشاهدة. شكرا لكل من دعمنا، شكرا كل من وقف معنا وساعدنا، شكرا لمن وصلنا لهذه المرحلة، شكرا لسمو سيدي خادم الحرمين الشريفين الملك سلمان بن عبد العزيز، شكرا لولي عهده الأمير محمد بن سلمان على هذا الدعم والتمكين والثقة فينا كشباب طموحين برغبة بلهفة بأن نحقق المستحيل بإذن الله مع دعمكم وتوفيقكم. أهلي أنا في الفضاء، الحلم تحقق، اللهم لك الحمد الشكر. وقريبا إن شاء الله في المستقبل القريب الكثير سوف ينضم لنا إن شاء الله، ونراكم قريبا من محطة الفضاء الدولية. So this moment is historic, not just for me, but for every Saudi, and I have done it without the support, the love, the trust from all of you guys. I extend my gratitude to our King, King Salman, and his Crown Prince, Prince Mohammed bin Salman, for their never-ending empowerment and support and trust that every Saudi should be proud of. As I look outside into space, I can't help but think this is just the beginning of a great journey for all of us. So I hope you guys enjoy it with us and dream big, because we're gonna get somewhere in the future, inshallah. And just to wrap up, this is just the beginning, and I hope many of you will join us soon.
السلام عليكم من الفضاء. والله شرف مرة كبير أن نكون نحن في هذه الرحلة التاريخية. زي ما تشوفونا نطفو يعني ونحاول نثبت نفسنا، لكن فعلا أحب أبدأ الشكر بقيادتنا وصاحب الرؤية ولي عهدنا محمد بن سلمان على دعمه لهذه المهمة. شكرا للهيئة السعودية للفضاء، شكرا أكسيوم، شكرا سبيس اكس، شكرا ناسا، وكالات الفضاء اليابانية والأوروبية كلهم على تدريبهم لنا طبعا شكرا لستي ولعائلتي الجميلة وأصحابي ورواد الفضاء السعوديين علي الغامدي ومريم فردوس على دعمهم في هذه الرحلة. لأبناء الوطن الغالي، نحن الآن في عصر التمكين والازدهار بفضل الله ثم قيادتنا الحمد لله. نحن الآن وصلنا عنان السماء، فكل اللي نحتاج نسويه إنه نحلم بإذن الله ونشتغل على أحلامنا وبإذن الله رح نوصل. Hello from outer space. It feels amazing to be viewing Earth from this capsule. We are here feeling microgravity thanks to our Kingdom of Saudi Arabia and the leaders, King Salman, and the visionary Crown Prince, Prince Mohammed bin Salman, for their support in this mission. Thanks to all SSC and whoever worked with them, Axiom, SpaceX, NASA, JAXA, ESA, all the trainers. Special thanks goes to Sittu, my grandmothers, and to my awesome family and friends. I would like to also thank Maryam Firdaus and Ali Al-Ghamdi for their support during this mission. And to the people around the world, well, the future is very bright, and I would like you to dream big, believe in yourselves, and believe in humanity.
Well said, everyone. Thank you so much for all your support in getting us here.
Wow, what a fantastic and powerful view into this adventure for 3 space rookies and a space veteran. How amazing is that?
Yeah, obviously the 3 rookies, well, now not rookies because they are in space. You know, that's such an incredible first moment. We heard John Schaffner talk about it a little bit when the Dragon separated from the second stage, or when that MVAC engine shut down, and they felt that microgravity. It's pretty awesome. But to also see, you know, such a space legend like Peggy Whitson to also be so excited is, I'm so excited for this mission because we're just going to keep seeing that from her.
Absolutely. Well, there you have it, a live on-orbit message from the AX-2 crew headed to the International Space Station. As Peggy, John, Ali, and Rayana continue their journey, we will turn our attention to all that comes next, with docking to the ISS scheduled for approximately 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, 6:30 a.m. Pacific Time tomorrow morning.
So we're going to end our coverage here for now, but be sure to tune back in for our live docking coverage with NASA starting at 7:30 a.m. Eastern, 4:30 a.m. Pacific, and that will be on axiomspace.com, spacex.com, and NASA television. In the meantime, please check out our social media accounts for updates. As always, thanks for joining us for this live on-orbit event, and we'll see you again tomorrow morning, bright and early, for AX.